Window functions are used to evaluate data over a specified group called a partition and over a specified row interval called a frame range. The result of the calculation is stored at the existing granularity of the dataset, rather than summarizing the rows to a group level as is done in standard aggregation with a group by. In Magic ETL, Domo provides 3 categories of window functions: ranking, framed, and offset. Each one is used for different scenarios. Let's go through 2 of the more common scenarios. Let's say you have a dataset with summary stats on customer purchase history. Your objective is to add 2 columns to rank these customers based on total spend and total spend by gender. This will allow your content creators to group and filter in more meaningful ways in their card building. To create a new column for total spend rank, let's add the rank and window action and connect our input. We will first give the new column a name. Next, we will select rank from the function dropdown. We want to rank the data based on total spend, so let's select that as our column to order the function on, and sort descending, so that the highest total spend will be ranked as 1. Since we want an overall rank and not by a partition, we can leave this option blank. Lastly, we'll name our tile Total Spend Rank. Now we can run a preview and see our new column that ranks customers by the highest spend. Now, let's add our second column, Total Spend Rank by Gender. We can repeat the same configuration as before. First, we'll bring in another rank and window tile, and then name it and the column Total Spend Rank by Gender. We want to configure this the same as the previous rank and window tile, and then select gender as the partition to rank by. Let's run a final preview, and now we have 2 rank columns. Now we can see that both Edith and Amandi are first and second respectively in both rank columns. However, Rosla is 4th in total spend, but 3rd in total spend by gender. And that's how you can use the rank and window action in Magic ETL.